Welcome to the course overview for Guided Inquiry Design. Your module objectives are open, create an open-ended guiding question for a unit of study, immerse, compile background knowledge and collect possible resources for students, explore, use creative organizers to record the questions students have about the topic, identify, create a learning activity and graphic organizer for students to formulate an inquiry question. And gather, create note-taking and citation organizers. Teachers are transitioning from rote and standards-only learning to inquiry-based learning. Inquiry-based teaching is a student-centered approach to learning that focuses on questions, critical thinking, and problem solving. Unlike other types of inquiry-based teaching, guided inquiry design is a framework that teachers and librarians can use to design units, lessons, and projects. The teacher chooses the topic and the initial question, and students design the solution for the production based on their learning. The 8 strategies of the guided inquiry design process include open, immerse, explore, identify, gather, create, share, and evaluate. These steps give students the choice and flexibility to learn differently. By the end of the process, students share their projects with the class or school community. In this training, you will learn about the first 5 steps in the process. Open, immerse, explore, identify, and gather. On the home page, you will find the following links. This link is for updates the learner will receive from the instructor. There is an introduction video to help learners navigate the course material. Included in this link is information for instructors and students. Module 1 covers the introduction and Stage 1, which is open. Module 2 covers Stage 2, which is immerse, and Stage 3, which is explore. Module 3 covers Stage 4, which is identify, and Stage 5, which is gather. The discussion board link is for students to discuss a topic with the instructor and their classmates. When you click on the evaluation link, students will take an end-of-course assessment and locate information about their final project. Let's talk a little bit about each stage. During the open stage, teachers will develop an open question. This is a question that requires critical thinking and problem-solving skills. In Stage 2, teachers provide the background information for the topic that will help students begin to think of more questions they have about the topic. Students begin to explore the topic using legitimate resources for learning. Students will identify the additional questions they have about the topic so they can begin to focus on their research. Students learn a variety of ways to gather and document their discoveries. The final project for teachers includes creating an open question to be used for your guided inquiry unit, collect background information for your unit, create a lesson that will guide students to make their own open questions about the topic, Design learning activities that will provide students with tools for discovering legitimate resources for answering their questions. And use creative note-taking strategies in the guided lesson. This concludes our course overview.